This is the AI News Flash for August 3rd, 12 p.m. UTC. First up, South Korean AI chip designer DeepX has seen its valuation surge to $2.2 billion in a new funding round, according to Bloomberg. Founded in 2018, DeepX makes inference chips for edge AI and has secured 42 billion won in the first tranche of its Series D from existing backers BNW Investment and DS Asset Management. The valuation of roughly 3.14 trillion won is about 4 times the level of its previous round. The company was reported in March to be preparing an IPO with Morgan Stanley as lead underwriter, and growing demand for edge inference chips that don't rely on NVIDIA has pushed its value sharply higher. Next, ChatGPT dominates AI spending in the U.S. Congress, a CNBC review of House disclosures has found. In the year ending March 31st, ChatGPT accounted for about $100,000 across 798 transactions by House offices and committees, or 88% of the dollars and 96% of the transactions. Anthropic's Claude was a distant second at about $13,000 across 37 transactions, while ChatGPT purchases appeared in 71 House member offices, roughly 1 in 6. Democratic offices spent more than 3 times as much as Republican ones, and lobbying is scaling up in parallel. OpenAI spent $1 million on federal lobbying in the first quarter, up 82.5%, while Anthropic nearly tripled its spending to $1.6 million. Third, Robbyant, the embodied AI unit of Alibaba affiliate Ant Group, has launched its first funding round targeting 1.5 billion yuan, or about $210 million, according to multiple Chinese media reports. Tech outlet LatePost reports the company plans to complete a second round by the end of the year, and Robbyant has confirmed the reports, saying it will stay focused on building a general-purpose robot brain. Founded in Shanghai in 2025, Robbyant has released the Robbyant R1, humanoid which can cook, guide customers, and sort medicines in pharmacies, alongside its open-source Lingbot Foundation model series. Ant Group has made a dozen humanoid robotics investments in the past 18 months, and this raise marks a further escalation of its embodied AI push. Fourth, Japan's NTT and photonic quantum computing startup OptQC have signed a capital and business alliance aimed at commercialization. The two companies are targeting a fault-tolerant photonic quantum computer at the scale of 1 million qubits by fiscal 2030, with NTT planning to invest in OptQC. The deal deepens a partnership agreement from last November. NTT has set up a photonic quantum R&D hub at its Atsugi Center, while OptQC's first machine, Mokren, is already running at Japan's AIST facility. Photonic quantum computers operate at room temperature with low power consumption, drawing attention as one answer to AI's growing energy problem. Fifth, SoftBank's Singapore subsidiary, SB Telecom Singapore, is moving into AI data center construction across Southeast Asia. On August 1st, it signed a memorandum of understanding with data center developer SC Zeus Data Centers and GPU infrastructure firm Robust HPC Group, focusing first on Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Under the division of roles, SCUS handles site acquisition, design, construction, and operations. Robust HPC procures and runs the GPU clusters, and SB Telecom integrates ICT infrastructure and network connectivity. The move aims to capture Southeast Asia's fast-growing AI compute demand, marking a new step in Japanese players' AI infrastructure expansion across Asia. That's all for this AI News Flash.